Hi, welcome back, everyone. This is Harvey sitting offshore from Corpus Christi and Rockport right now. Here is the eye of the storm, and it is a huge eye. From the eye to the coast measures about 60 miles right now. And just as our 6 o'clock newscast began, Harvey was upgraded to a Category 4 storm. That means he has winds sustained around the center of the eye at 130 miles an hour with even higher gusts. Strong rain bands already on the coast, pushing on inland as far as Victoria. They're getting some very heavy rains here locally. Just a few spotty showers showing up and a lot of clouds across the area. High tropical humidity values across the region, but only a couple of rain showers showing up. Now, we do have a flash flood watch in effect for just about half of our viewing area. And as I said at the top of the newscast, from Fairfield on down to Killeen and points south all the way to the Gulf Coast, there is a flash flood watch in effect. We could see a couple of 3 inches of rain right through the center of our viewing area. Greater likelihood of larger amounts the further south you go back down towards the Brazos Valley, anywhere from 10 to possibly 15 inches of rain. Look at what the computer model spit out here. We could see some astronomical rainfall total. I think 14.5 inches for Bryan College Station may be overdoing it a bit, but I don't think that 3¼ inches for Waco is out of line. I think 5 inches a possibility. And Temple, now this is not just overnight tonight. We're talking about now through Wednesday of next week with rainfall totals spread out over that time. We're looking at some very generous rain in the area. Tomorrow, look for our winds to begin to increase. You'll start feeling the effects of the storm tomorrow. Even though we've got the cloud cover, the cloud shield is already in place here. Tomorrow, we'll see the winds start picking up and the rain chances as well start increasing. Wind gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour across much of the area south of Interstate 35 and on down towards the Gulf Coast. Here's the storm. Here's the future track computer model. We bring the storm on shore as a Category 4. Looks like probably going to cross the coast close to or just up the coast from Rockport. What happens then? Well, it gets in over land and it looks like it's going to kind of drift back towards Pleasanton to San Antonio, out to the west of Seguin in that area, and then it kind of stalls out. A couple of factors in the atmosphere try to keep this storm from going any further north, so it may sit here across the coastal plain just to the east of San Antonio for 24 hours or so. But look at this. Look at the bands of moisture with this storm rolling back through Houston on up towards Conroe and then curling on back towards our area. The rain shield by that time certainly covers up Waco and all the way up towards Hillsborough as well, almost to the Dallas-Fort Worth region. So you're talking about some very heavy rain settling across our region through the weekend and the early part of next week. There's your Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend's always in view. Going to go 80% chances of rain in the outlook for us on Saturday, possibly Saturday night and into Sunday as well. We can hang on to that 80% coverage, I think. Rainfall totals on average, perhaps ½ an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch. I got to promise you that there's going to be spots that get much heavier rainfall totals, and there's going to be some spots that get considerably less than that. So this is kind of an average for you, a little better than ½ an inch in many locations. Chances of rain begin to taper off Sunday night into Monday. We'll call it about a 20% chance of showers, and depending on what this storm does and where it goes, there's some thought that it could reemerge back out over the Gulf of Mexico near Matagorda Bay and then drift up the coast a little bit. We'll keep those rain chances in the forecast on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as well. A lot can change in the next couple of hours, so stay tuned. Pick up our Channel 6 app, download that to your iPhone or your computer, and you can follow it just as quickly as we do.
All right, Andy, thank you very much.